outer ends tied. And simply we have hooks on the wall. We're just going to attach it to the hook. That's one side on. Hopefully it'll stay. And there's the other side here. And then there's one in the middle. If I can find it. This one here. And I went the wrong side. And that one goes there. So there we go, that's there. And finally we have our love balloon. What we just to do is take some double-sided tape, which I've already done already, or regular tape. And you can see that I've put just random pieces here and there along the back. That's there. There's about 5 pieces. And I'm just gonna put it right here. And boom. And that's it. It is done. We have love. And that's a close-up of it here. And here's the final look. Our love foil balloon, our pink door curtain, our 57 dot circle garland, and our white and rose gold party in a box with our featured confetti balloons. Stay tuned with us and watch how we've created this look.